the teachings of the scriptures will be exactly opposite to what we experience in life. We will say, sir, family means there has to be attachment, no? Isn't not? If that family, if you are not attached to the family, then it's not a family, no. The master will come and tell you what? Attachment is a deadly virus. It's destroying your life, it's destroying people around you, it's killing everybody. Now, he says one thing, our experience is exactly opposite. Which one you are going to take? Temporarily, what we do is you keep aside your beliefs, my values, my convictions, my desires, my understanding, my experiences, which could be conflicting, contradicting to what is being said. I may believe certain things and the scripture may say something else. Now, what I have to do, sir? Keep mine aside and take what is being given to us for the investigation purpose. If you can do that, you are ready to receive this knowledge.